Welcome to the preparatory webinars about interaction between cetaceans and fishery, post-mortem evidences and diagnostic approaches. During the fourth webinar, we would like to refresh, together with you, the main definitions and concepts about the human-induced mortality, with a particular focus on fishery activities. As mentioned in the previous webinar, human-induced mortality is defined as the death directly linked to human activities, such as incidental capture by fisheries, ship strikes, entanglements, intentional act, or direct killing. Let's start to define the meaning of bycatch. As shown in the picture, bycatch is any unwanted or no-target animal that is caught during fishing operation. A different meaning has entanglement, which involve an individual found entangled in man-made debris. According to Induced protocol, we distinguish three categories of entanglement. Active, related to active fishing gear, for example, when the individual has been released by a fisherman, or a part of the entangling nets has been cut to release the individual, or by the individual after the entanglement. The presence of a hook is also considered as an active entanglement. Passive, when the individual is entangled in a debris either not related to fishing activity or related to fishing activity, but abandoned at sea for a long time with sign of old age, and undetermined. Based on the Akobam's framework cited on the slide, a frame body is related to the ingestion of debris or litter items causing digestive obstruction, perforation, or other symptoms. These items can be fishing related, such as various kinds of net or fishing line. The table describes the post-mortem interpretation and findings useful to assess and define the forensic diagnosis detail. When an individual shows penetrating wounds, pre- or post-mortem mutilation, or trauma related to human interaction, those are considered signs of direct and deliberate killing. Sometimes this interaction can be related also to fishery. It's important to report that there are many sources at national and international level to define the interaction between cetaceans and fishery activities. In all these definitions, many are the discrepancies or many details are assessed and defined differently. So, it is extremely necessary to adopt a standardized approach to harmonize the interpretation in order to share comparable results. Many other anthropogenic impacts can influence or cause the death of marine mammals. Further discussion will be useful to analyze more details. In the next webinar, we will talk about fishery interaction common evidences and literature review. Thank you for your attention.